What's up guys, Josh here. So a company called BicBoz sent me some wireless earbuds to review. They're kind of on the higher end of the pricing scale, 70 quid here in the UK, but I can tell you the case supports wireless charging, which I haven't seen before on earbuds in this price range. They've got USB-C, so bang up to date. There's some cool features, let's check them out. Here's the box. Inside we find a user manual, the charging case and the earbuds. If you lift the first compartment out, underneath you'll find extra earbud tips and the USB-C charging cable. There's 6 extra sets of earbud tips in addition to the ones that come on the earbuds, which is pretty nice. They're all different shapes and sizes, so it should be easy to find something comfortable. Now, I absolutely love the charging case. It is plastic, but it just feels so solid, it kind of feels more like ceramic. There's a really nice satisfying click when you close the lid. Now, as I said, the case does support wireless charging. If you've got a smartphone that supports reverse wireless charging, you can just drop these on the back and then they'll charge up. I'm guessing this feature was specifically developed with this usage in mind, as 2019 is going to be full of devices that support this feature. If you want to be old-fashioned though, there is a USB-C cable included as well. It's nice to see USB-C appearing on more devices nowadays. The case has an inbuilt 750 mAh battery, so you can get a few good charge cycles out of the case itself before needing to recharge. There's 4 little white indicator LEDs on the back to tell you how much juice is left. Now the earbuds themselves will last around 6 to 8 hours, which is pretty reasonable. If they do run out, you just shove them in the case. Now after you've paired them for the first time, in future the earbuds do automatically turn on and pair to each other and then to your device as soon as you take them out of the case, and then they'll disconnect as soon as you put them back into charge. It works every time and it's just super quick and convenient. So that's the case. Let's talk more about the earbuds. I'll be honest, I'm not a fan of the design, not because they're not comfortable, they're actually very nice to wear. The shape's been well thought out and they're light, but it's just the finish. Now obviously they're plastic, but they've been painted with this horrible chrome metal effect paint, which just looks cheap. It's not metal, it's plastic. Just stop pretending, just go matte black like everyone else. These are the black ones, trust me, you don't even want to see the other colours. Yeah, I'm not a fan. There's also a very noticeable seam where the 2 plastic casings are joined together. Again, it just doesn't scream quality, which is a shame because the case was awesome. Now, like I said, they're very comfortable to wear and secure as well. You won't wear them all day, but an hour or so trip to the gym or whatever is totally fine. Unfortunately though, there's no touch controls. Instead, we have a regular tactile button on each earbud. And the problem with that is it really hurts. You're pressing the earbud into your ear. It's not the best design. So if you're the sort of person that will use play, pause, skip track, answer calls, etc., then just bear that in mind. Sound quality though is another area where these earbuds excel. They sound really good. The bass is awesome. If you listen to a lot of EDM, you'll like these. It's nice and punchy. It's not overpowering at all though. In fact, they're quite well balanced. They go loud as well, so volume won't be a problem. Although the mids can get a little bit muddy on kind of rock tracks if you go max volume, but normal volumes are totally fine. Everything's pretty clear. Now, I was told that they're only available for sale in the UK currently, although they did confirm that they will be coming to US markets very soon, albeit under a different name. As soon as they're available in the US though, I'll be sure to update the description with Amazon links to them. If you're in the UK, they'll be down there straight away. If I've missed anything or you want to ask a question about these, feel free to drop a comment guys, or just say hi. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate a like rating and subscribe for more content. We're doing pretty well this year so far. Don't forget to ding that notification bell as well. You can follow me on social media at Tesseract. Thanks for watching today guys. I'll catch you all in the next one.